Hi guys, I'm Vishal from Mardi Tripti Club and today we are in a cause, Save Sharavati. I know everyone's aware of what's happening in the Western Ghats, a lot of floods and what's happening and how we can save the environment by a cause. So today about 200 bikers assembled in Jayanagar, did a small rally towards it. Let's save together, let's save the environment and please doctor, lots of support.
You tell me how many groups you people have come and
We have about 6-7 groups who joined us today from RD Tripti Club, Bikers of India and Iron Riders and couple of clubs who joined us, Bangalore Vintage Club who joined us for this initiative.
Vishal, I'm very thankful to you. Always been for the environment, the biker groups actually. I'm so happy and humble for the support.
Thank you.
Because
Thank
the
you.
Uttarakhand people and the Sharavati people are expecting from us actually. This whole project is they're trying to name us and do it in a Bangalore. But if you really see, there's a lot of disaster going to happen actually. So stop that. We are asking the help and thank you for all the bikers groups to
spread the
support
news,
that.
sir. We'll spread the
Thank you.
news.
Thank you.
Great job.